Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video, we've once again teamed up with the crew at Do Cycling to bring you another cycling series video, and this time we're going to be working on the Cannondale Caad 5. Coming up next. Alright, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and once again we've teamed up with the crew over at Do Cycling to bring you another edition in the cycling series videos. And today we're going to be working on the Cannondale Caad 5, which is basically a road bike, and we're going to work on the pedals. We're going to install basic toe clip pedals. That is an easy modification to your bike. Anyone can do it, and it'll give you a more secure feel as you're racing out there on the peloton, and you're practicing for your Tour de France entry coming up later this year. So it's like I said, it's a quick modification. Anyone can do it. Simple tools required, inexpensive on top of that, so it's a win-win-win. So let's get right to the Cannondale Caad 5 toe clip modification. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, the reason why I'm installing these types of toe clips, pedal guards, because I'm not a big fan of those ones that you put the shoes on and you lock into it. Makes me feel like I can't get off the bike. So these are a good compromise, and I figured it'll give you a little bit more support. So let's get right to the install. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and today we're going to be installing these toe clip pedals onto our Black Ops. Regular pedals. These are nice pedals. Picked them up on, I think it was Walmart.com, and now we're going to put these on to give it more of a race feel. In front of us we have the Cannondale Caad 5. So let's get started. Okay, these are some of the tools that we're going to use. Good to get into little corners. You'll see that in a minute. I use, looks like a 5/16 regular screwdriver. Alright, let's get started. First thing we got to do, it's going to be hard to do it with both the camera and one hand, so I'm just going to show you with this edge, the flat edge. Going to get in there, and there's the plastic reflector. I'm going to get in there with the flat edge and pop it out. I can't do it with one hand because it's going to push it forward, and the budget here is sort of constrained. Okay, I'm showing you got to get that flat edge in there to wedge the reflector out, and then you push against it and it'll pop out. See, we're already making space. Okay, there we go. There's the two screws that we're going to mount the toe clip to. Okay, now you see these screws here? There you go, right there. That's what we're going to mount the toe clips to, right there, like that. Two screws go right in there. Kit comes with the supplied screws, and we're in business. So that's what we're going to do next. Stay with me. Alright, we're ready to put the screw in. Hold the nut. And there you go. Rinse and repeat for the second one, and then we're going to work on the strap. Okay, now we're going to take the strap. It's going to feed through here. And it's going to feed through there. And then you simply clip it. Hence the term toe clips. Okay, here's the finished product. Ready to go. These toe clips are good because it's to me it's an in-between a regular pedal and the toe clips that you get the special shoes and lock in. This is kind of like an in-between. So you can still use regular shoes. If you enjoyed this video, found it useful, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, because there might be more coming your way. Don't go anywhere, we got bloopers coming up next. Okay, that's it for the bloopers. What were you expecting, a dozen videos? We don't make that many mistakes here at 6:40 a.m. The Mix. Well, actually we do, but that's all you're going to get to see on this video. But there you have it for the toe clip installation on the Cannondale Caad 5. It's a great modification, easy, simple to do, and it's a great type of compromise in between regular pedals and those special ones, the shoes that you lock into the pedal, which are more expensive. So this is a great way to get that secure feel on your bike, and you can easily take your foot by just backing it out. So easy, simple, a great way to modify your bike. So comment below and tell us what you think of the toe clip installation, and in any other quick and easy mods that you want to post, just comment below. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget, check the description for the final word on today's installation, and special thanks go out to the whole crew at Do Cycling. Thanks for watching, everyone, and catch you next time.